Yo, what's good? Let's see, what do we have here? We are here. Wait, wait, we're not here yet. We're here. We're here. Yeah. Ooh, like I said, at least you got your payout though. Oh yeah, come on, Palantir, let's fucking roll. I'm short in an option, bro. Do you remember that? Do you remember the when I said that car Avis was at 750? Bro, I bought a put option and I just didn't really know how it moved because of theta, and I bought it at 30 cents and I sold it at 85 cents. If I would have held it to yesterday, I bought it on Wednesday. If I would have held it through yesterday and like closed it out yesterday at the end of the day, I bought it for $30. I could have sold it for about $2,000. Yeah, I sold it for 85. Oh well. You just got to be in the market long enough, and if you are, put yourself on the right side of those situations enough times and you'll capture those moves, you know. Pretty crazy though. Pretty crazy. Does everything sound good? Word. I need to change this a little bit. Zoomy, zoomy. Usually look at this bitch on the 1 minute though. Spy. No, there's not gonna be any of that right now. Right about now. Alright. Yeah, I don't know. Today, like right now, where we're at with the market, I feel like you just gotta be super quick and scalpy with it. Like to actually sink your teeth into like something is kind of hard. I feel like you just gotta take like on ES your 10-point moves and Q your 50-point moves. But yeah, we'll see. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. That's the way. I like it. Uh-huh, uh-huh. That's the way. All right. That sounds Gucci. We'll talk later. Just kind of waiting for the market to settle in here a little bit. It's pretty crazy. I mean, and I knew that's kind of why I didn't trade the first 15 to 30 minutes, but what Jay said yesterday about his profits not there being zero in the first 30 minutes and then being way more profitable after that, that just like kind of secures it for me that I need to wait and let the market settle in. Because personally, I feel like it whips all over the place and I just don't even know like which way's up or down. I mean, I guess you can, there are quick moves to be had then, but I kind of like I don't know. I don't like when it whips around quite like that. Maybe I'll start just entering very little size to try and take advantage of some of it. But definitely not full size. I'm in Palantir short yesterday from like right here, and I took profits down into here, held overnight, seeing if we can stay below and get this continuation move lower. I'd like a final takedown here around like 137 maybe, but I don't know if we'll get there. Fucking thank God I got out of uh Qualcomm yesterday because that bitch ripped after the close. Or not after the close this morning. Dodged a little bullet on that bitch. What do we got? Wait for pull down to 708.50 to 709.50. So that's gonna be right here. Then it says to attack the Lizzie Long. But it says wait 15 minutes about. See if anything's changed. Sure. Okay. What are we weaker on ES right now? Yeah. ES is up like 0.15, NQ's up over 1%. That's because AMD and all that crap is running right now. I need to get that up. Hopefully we don't just diddle around all day here. Alrighty. Still nothing right now. Ballinger, let's see if we can break these lows and start to open up. Overall market diddling in the middle again. Diddling in the middle. Maybe we'll kind of push down and get a bounce off of VWAP or on ES down and bounce off a previous day close. Hmm. Let's see, can we get anything cool on here? Holy shit. Good God.
All right, guys, there's a new low on SOXL. Next take profit's going to be 122. SOXL, next take profit 122.
If anyone's in here, does the music sound alright? This is like the first time I'm trying to do it. Where the fuck did it go? Oh, right here. Yeah, I got you. I think it sounds alright. But I don't know. I don't know. See, that's the shit I don't like. The other stuff, I want to just be it to where it's only the music. Let's see. Yeah, see, it won't pick it up. It's just doing. Just want the epidemic sound. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck that shit is either. It's annoying. It's something to do with like the pickup or something. Let me know if it goes away. If not, I'm turning this music off because that shit's fucking annoying me. Possibly. Or it was picking up the background. I don't know. Is it any better now? Seems like it's better. I had to like pull the music website. It was at the tabs, like with all my other tabs, and I have to make it like a separate page, and that might be fixing it. I don't know. Let me know. It sounds better now. I don't hear the clicking. All right. What about the music level? Is that good? So wick off a previous day high. Right out of our area. I'll be right. Alright, that was a nice little buying wick off of previous day high. Alrighty. Our 30-minute orb has been put in. Michigan consumer sentiment numbers are coming out right now, I believe, also. Is our 15 relevant at all? Over there, over here, maybe a little more. That's our 15. Alrighty. I wouldn't mind like a fake break low, reclaim high, so break below this orb real quick and then immediately reclaim it for a push back up to previous day high, or like at least to the other side of the orb, like a failed downside auction type of move would be all right. Let's see. I'm gonna. Are you in here, Ja? See. Alright, let's see what this shit is all about.
through the phase to get where we pray. We champion made, ain't nothing I change. The streets that we pave, they throwing parades. Ay, nobody can hate on the road that I played. When everything's settled, let's see who remains. From dusk till dawn, from night till day. Ay, checking the game, was never afraid. Just call on my name, they fall into place. The land of elite, the home of the brave. Ay, nobody can hate on the toll that I paid. When everything's settled, let's see who remains. From dusk till dawn, from night till day. Against the world, okay, gotta go again.
What in the fuck is this bullshit ass song? Alright, I could fuck with this. Whatever this account is that I got, I think I can like add you to it or something. Some reggae type shit. I'm down. I guess we gotta pull the vape out for this one. Come on, PLTR, let's fucking roll. Push, 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 push. What are you in? Or what do you want to push? The market or gold? Let's see what's gold doing. I'm guessing you want gold to push. Yeah, gold. Push. Let's see, I'll run it on that tool. Let's see what I get. Let's see what it says. Do it on futures, GC, day trade. Let's see. GC.
I got out of there.
Can you hear anyone talking in the background? Like, can you hear
Fix that problem.
them
Anyway,
talking?
so it looks like that the DOJ has dropped their investigation, even though like yesterday and this week they were like doubling down
I
on
guess
it.
I can go look too.
I think perhaps somebody got in the president's ear, I believe. You know, it's probably Besson. It's like, listen, you want worse on the board, you want worse to be, here's what needs to be done.
Yeah.
So, and
I don't know how to get it to where it doesn't fucking have that in there. Why would it? What is it picking up? That's so weird. Hmm. Let's see, what is this? It sounds like it's gonna be alright. Push on gold. The tool says return to 65% short, but 4707 to 4710. That's wrong. This tool's wrong. Abort. Sometimes with the futures, that's why I don't That's the only thing it's not good with the futures. So I always run it on the ETF, like I'd run it on GLD. Let's see, we'll do this way. We'll run it on GLD, the ETF, which is like SPY's version for gold. And then we'll go over to gold, GLD, and then we'll see what this shit says. Okay, it's gonna say, it might say a short up against this, or a long. It's gonna have a long down here, but if we can hold here, we don't want to break these lows too much. Let's see. There's our pullback. Trade line. We need trade line to hold. Alright, it's saying a 70% short on GLD. Favor to bounce up to 434.30 to 434.70. So that's gonna be right here. 30 to 70. Yeah, right up into here, and then short at 70%. That's getting up there where like I start to respect it. Where's the average take profit at? 32.70 or 33. So I guess like that should probably be your stop if you're not already out, like down here. I don't know where you got in from though. Yeah, it's starting to roll over now, but switch to shorts. Yeah, I like that. I like the shorts better for show. What account are you trading? Do you have a new one, or what are you doing with that? What happened? Did it? So. The PA on the overall indices. What size are you using? Or are you just saying fuck it right now and you're just knowingly tilting and not giving a shit? Ooh, PLTR, let's fucking roll, baby. Yazerski. 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 this right here. Yeah, I would like to see us down in here. Let's fucking go, buddy. Oh, man. This is right. I would assume we will get. Here's some buying, but if we can get through there, this is the 1 hour, so we get down there. I would assume we get some kind of a bounce in through here. Well, is that New York hours? We want New York hours. Really? Yeah, I like it. Down to here. But these expire on May 1st. These options expire, so I got all next week to let it roll. So I think we might just let it roll a little bit, right? This is probably a good take profit area for your final TP. Yeah, I just tried to pass this eval quickly. Yeah, I'm going to blow those huge size. Yeah, that's what I for sure. I want to get to like where I pass it and then then I can uh go into the next eval with some big size to where like I'll pass it on one or two trades or blow it on one or two bad trades, but I just want to, that's my step once I can get this payout. What was that again? That fucking, where was it? Stop loss was 137.50 to 136.50. Like 137. And it's gonna be string trade, stop loss, save. Here's it. Buying similars. What the fuck?
Catch your breath quickly, quickly. Catch your breath. Are your horses in place? Keep your eye on your lane. Steady with your pace. I know it's been so hard to go against the tin. I know you want that to win. How much time do you take about your day? How much time do you sit around and wait? You watching, I'm vibing, arriving to take over. Girl, can you keep up? Gotta push your stamina all the way. Thought I told you so. You didn't know. When you step up on the floor with me, you got to move your feet. Catch your breath quickly, quickly. Catch your breath. I see you pee. I never let CT. I know I got you so sick.
Good morning, traders. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, so right now, does anyone have any questions on any of these trades I've done today? I'll ask that and then also talk about this current one. I'm going to hold this one a little bit, guys, because look, so I'm going to get rid of this for a second because I'm sure nobody can see anything in here. But let me go back in time here. Okay, so this is what has happened. So we were coming this last night, we were coming down. I did misjudge this, when I took the logs, I did misjudge this. So we took a little stop after a take profit here. And then again, I was like, okay, now we were just coming back down to this area. So I did actually still, kind of misjudging these for the long. But now we actually got that pullback, and this is where very interesting that, where we got out and then we did pull back a little bit more, but now we have this level right here was near yesterday's closing price or opening price. And so this is where we kind of made a little W. So now what's happened is we've come and pushed up and then we've pulled back and now we pushed up again. I feel like this is just going to need to be a little sideways here a bit. Maybe we do have to come back to the 20, which is just this 27.85 area. And we might go sideways a little bit here, guys. So if you're not comfortable, go ahead and get out. There's already been enough profit here, but I just don't, I'm good to just hold this. Now it's very also possible, guys, just full disclosure, that this isn't going to work and that this is actually going to just turn back down and continue in that direction. This was that, just gives you that nice spike up there or whatever, but it did give us back to this previous overnight high. But that's just kind of a hard one. Now we're still in this little triangle. So if you were drawing it, this would be the downward motion that you would be expecting. Oh, okay, well, I can at least come back to this 27.98 area, right? That's what I'm seeing. So now you did just get that one little pullback candle. Now you're trying to extend. So this is what I'm going to wait for. I actually expect to be able to get back to the 2802 and then back to the 2807. This is just kind of what we've been doing recently anyway, just kind of staying in these little areas. And when you're looking at the daily chart, we're still all inside the 420 candle, right? I mean, we're literally still inside Monday's candle. So every single thing today has been inside Monday's candle. Now, Monday's high is the 2809 area, right? So that is back up to here. So if we were to get back to this area, nice take profit, by the way, there, and then we'd be heading for Tuesday's high, which is that 28.28, which is a lot further, right? So again, what I said this morning is if we get up through this high, I would expect it to start wanting to extend to that area. So that's why I'm just here watching this, guys. So I will take profits. I've already taken 2 profits off of this, but yeah, I'm going to probably wait, get up here to this 27.98 or 99 area. To take another piece. And then I want to see if I can't get this to break through with what I'm in. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks. Anybody have any questions or anything? I'm here. DM me, chat me, whatever. Okay, guys. Good morning. Good morning, Doc. Good morning. 7552. Okay. All right. All right, guys. Thank you. Okay, Uni out.
I've been talking on mute for a while, son of a bitch. Um, did you blow the eval or it's just might blow? And do you have any more? Any more evals in the chamber? Oops. My fart. I can't wait until like the market gets back to like normal. What's the new one? I know Apex is having sales right now. Use code Market Maker Drew. Gotcha. I know. Well, you trade gold and Apex, you can't, but Apex is having a sale right now, and I don't know what the price of them are, but the ones with the intraday trailing drawdown are like for the 25K going to be like, I don't know, maybe $20 a piece. But I was just saying, if like how you're trading right now to trade these evals hella fast, that would be like a good way to go, because you can just trade them super fast for cheap, and then if you pass it, you got to pay the activation fee, but then you trade it normal. You might have to pay a little more on the activation fee, but I don't know. Maybe something to think about if you want to gamble or trade the evals a little looser. Oh wow, yeah, that's not bad. And that comes with the activation fee included. Alright, I don't know what the fuck this shit is, but it's gotta go. What in the fuck is all
All right,
this
people, see
homo
what's going on here.
shit?
Can you guys hear me okay? Thank you.
On the way home, cause it's getting late. I've
I
been
don't
waiting
know.
all day for you to swing my way. You said
Bro.
after 3. I sent a text, maybe you did.
Alright, I'm over this shit. Did it take the music away for you? Yeah, that shit is starting to piss me off. What the fuck? We're bouncing? Kind of. There's our little bounce, kind of. Are we gonna push here a little bit? Yeah, this is just like a range bound type day if we can't break out of this. Opening range high area. Were there a lot of people over in the VC? Alright. And no monthly fee, this period, yeah. Focused. Yeah. Are you in anything like right now? Trying to long this fucking gold. It is crazy that when I switch from gold to mess, the gold pump, the same happened now when I switch back to gold. Yeah, I feel like it's always like that. Always fucking like that. Oh, 15 subs? Is that good? I want millions and millions of them. um, yeah, I don't know what I started. How many did I have yesterday or going into yesterday? Like, did I start it with like four? It's funny though, like when Jay put that out, how it generated that, and then today that no one came back. But it could also just be because it's Friday. Yeah, for sure. That's cool. I feel like it'll start to gain traction. Do you think because it's Friday that a lot of people probably aren't even doing stuff? Uh-huh. I need to make like a video of like my like the orb. I literally have like no idea how to even do that. But I do have like a lot of like I don't know, not ideas. I just don't even know how to really go about like putting it together, organizing it, and like how to do all that. But like I have ideas of like what videos could be about. You can come in. Come on, Belle. Belle's right there. She's like right here. Now she's right here. Belle. I like used her toy to like keep the door kind of shut. She was like sniffing at it, like, what the fuck is this thing doing right here? She like just came in, circled, and then walked out. It's funny, like if I have the door closed, she'll like be sitting outside meowing, and then I open it. She like looks inside, makes sure everything's good, and then walks away. Yeah, it's been pretty choppy. You said gold's about to stop you out. If you were to go back and look, are you just getting spun around, like going long then short, then long then short? News. Did you get stopped out of a gold position or was it ES or MES? Oh, pound to fucking roll this bitch over, boy. Gold. Yeah. It's just been chopping. I could see us bounce from here, but I don't know. It's tough. I would kind of like it a little lower. Now the trade line's caught up. I'd like a pullback and a hold of it. Oh, porque, porque, ficti, ficti. Oh shit, what's good, Jay? What's good? Any dubs today? I haven't traded much on in this dubs in the Percy. Bro, come on. No. You said you don't feel like you're on tilt, Jaw? No? Stop. Oh, we. We gotta get a push to come test pre-market highs and previous day high on the ES. Let's see. You're on gold longs again? Yeah. What about you, Jay? Have you had any trades today? If you're in here, I don't even know if you're still in here. There's that little push. I just want to see us like up into like this 350 would be nice. That's that rotation right there. 350 would be real nice like. Real nice like. 350 right here. Let's just give it a little push, right? Just a little scalp. Yep. Just a little guy. Just a quick little guy for the stream. Got a massive long all-time high. Oh, nice. But you probably got it before market open, I'm assuming. On this move, maybe. That'd be my guess. Yeah, today was Friday. I honestly I got bailed out yesterday, if I'm being completely honest. And so I wanted to come in today. I'm in the funded. Usually I will pass the eval, get into the funded, trade recklessly, blow it before I even know what happens. And my psychology, I just get in it. It's like pedal to the metal, let's fucking ride, and then I end up blowing that shit up. So this time I'm trying to just be more methodical with it and be aware that yesterday was not the best day, even though I ended up green. Today's Friday. I don't want to go into the weekend on a shitty note, so I'm just taking it slow. Yeah, 5 a.m. 5 a.m. New York time. You got stopped at again. Are you trying to long it? 5 a.m. New York time, that makes sense. That would be 2 a.m. here. So that's going to be right here. And you just caught that whole thing. Oh, yeah, nice trade. Bro, what do you want? Putting your head down. Come here. She said, hell no, we ain't doing that. Talk that massive pump a while after we hit all time high. 100, points. Hell yeah. Shaw, did you say you're out? Stopped out. Is that the new account? I need one more monitor. I need to get the curved monitor so that if I can get the curved monitor, then I'll be all set up to be able to stream well, because then I'll be able to have my trading execution and shit on the curved monitor, and then have two double monitors on the side and up top. I'll have the charts that I watch, and then down low I can have all the chat stuff Discord and the chats that I'm in and the YouTube and all that. I just have to do a bunch of clicking around on this shit. It's kind of annoying. Shit. That was a blanker. Oh man. Yeah. Damn, that shit got me floating. Yeah, this market's pretty tough. Pretty tough. Hmm. Palantir's just kind of dicking around. Hmm. Are you guys still in here at all? I think I might just end it in the live. Appreciate you guys coming over though. Alrighty. I am gonna go ahead and end the stream, but I will be back maybe on Sunday, sometime Sunday night, but if not, definitely for the New York Open on Monday. See y'all then. Peace.